Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Hump Day. It's Wednesday. So, American Specialty Health is hiring for customer service rep, health management, and they are looking for part time and full time customer service reps. They are paying 15 to 19, $15 to $16 an hour, excuse me. And they basically looking for someone to receive and respond to telephone calls from members and health plans employer groups, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of all ASH products and programs through consistent proficiency in quality, quantity, and responsiveness. Please have a high school diploma and minimum of 1 year customer service experience with at least 6 months customer service experience and inbound customer service call service servicing members. All right, don't forget to follow and good luck to you guys. Have a great